right, this is Unit 11 of Foundations. So for review, this is the rule from last week. When a word has a consonant between two vowels, try dividing it after the consonant and giving the first vowel a short sound. Now for this week, the rule of part 1 is, when a word has two consonants between two vowels, divide it between the consonants. Okay, so we see here, rabbit. There's two B's, so we divide the syllables between the consonants. So the first syllable will sound like rab. There's the B sound at the end, and the second will sound like bit. So there's the B sound there too. Okay. Now our first word is problem. Severe weather can cause a problem for airline passengers. There are two syllables in problem. The consonant B and L are between the vowels O and E. The word is divided between the two consonants. Sudden. The approaching storm caused a sudden change in temperature. There are two syllables in sudden. A double consonant D is between the vowels U and E. The word is divided between the two consonants. Traffic. Max rides his bicycle to work so he can avoid driving in traffic. There are two syllables in traffic. A double consonant F is between the vowels A and I. So the word is divided between the two consonants. Tunnel. Avoid driving through the old tunnel. It could collapse at any moment. So how many syllables are in tunnel? Tunnel. What consonants are between the vowels? N. And where is this word divided and why? And it is divided between the two ends because of the rule. So here are some other words that fit part 1 of this rule. Consistent. Mary is consistent in walking her dog every day. Yesterday. Tickets for the concert went on sale yesterday. How does part 1 of the rule apply to these words? So think about that. Now here is part 2 of the rule for Unit 11. When a word has more than two consonants between two vowels, divide it between the consonants, keeping the blends like FL, PL, ST, TH, and TR together. So these sounds, TH, like th, if you would separate them, the sound would be different. So we need to keep those blends together. The word conflict. Our soccer game was canceled due to a scheduling conflict. There are two syllables in conflict. The consonants N, F, and L are between the vowels O and I. FL is a consonant blend. The word is divided between the consonant N and the blend FL. Display. A spectacular fireworks display followed the New Year's Day parade. There are two syllables in display. The consonants S, PL, and P and L are between the vowels I and A. PL is a consonant blend. The word is divided between the consonant S and the blend PL. Instead, Alyssa chose to bring salad instead of dessert to the picnic. So there are two syllables in instead. The consonants N, S, and T are between the vowels I and E. ST is the consonant blend, therefore you would divide the syllables after the N and before the blend. Athlete. The athlete received an award for her outstanding sportsmanship. So, how many syllables are in athlete? What consonants are between the vowels? Where is this word divided and why? So there are two syllables, and if you look between the vowels A and E, there's T, H, and L. And this is divided after the H because TH is the consonant blend. Here are some other words that fit part 2 of this rule. Attract, extreme. How does part 2 of the rule apply to these sounds? All right, that's it. Here are all the words for Unit 12. Please remember to look over them Thursday before your test.